Now what I'm going to do is, okay, I have my routine and I'm going to do the following. When I change this one or this one or this one, this is going to happen, or even this one. So I'm going to check what happened in the dashboard when I'm going to in square bracket. Now I type this. No, we don't need series collection here. Yeah, series collection, sorry. We have the ranges. The first range is select country. Okay. Then we have another one, else if we have 3 ranges, and if, okay, select country. This one is this name. I will explain. My active cell is exactly one of these ranges, and I use this function because I have an intersection between the active cell and this range with this range name. So if I'm there, then I'm going to call this function. In all the other this case, basically I can also avoid this because I make only these 4 ranges editable. I can also remove all this or make here if, or I can also use a or function here, but I leave it as it is. Okay, I'm doing this. So if I'm going, for example, to this one, I can type 31st. I have not to do this with the active cell, but with the target, because active cell means that if I'm changing something here, this one is the active cell, for example. You know, if I type here 21, okay, the active cell is this one. So I need to type target here, which is the cell that is identified to change, not the one that has been selected at the end. I can use this with the selection function, with this, the worksheet underscore selection change. But in the case of change, I need to use the target. So here we are. I'm going to type here 31st, okay, or I'm going to type 21. You see the line moves together, okay. The same is I'm going to select here the Netherlands or Italy or Sweden, or all together. I'm gonna change here the 31st. Okay, Netherlands, Italy. If I get to move this, you see the effect. Poland, you see, this is going. Now I have to do the same for this one. Okay, I'm doing the following here. In this case, I'm going to use something that I was already testing before. Okay, this one is dating for callout. Okay. Chart. So I do the following. Okay, so for the other one, the left is given by my left plus 25 plus the active chart left. I think it works like this. I'm not sure if it's going to change. Chart area. Chart area. Okay. So here we are. We're gonna change this like this. If I put this here, I'm gonna change. Okay, you see here that I'm gonna position this. Okay, I'm gonna change this a bit closer. First application with something that is not that very immediate, very easy to understand, just using objects here. And I'm going to move these objects according to what I'm going to do. Okay. I want to show you in the next video how to display these labels or not.